If you're a homeowner in Export, Pennsylvania, a roof replacement makes sense. After all, your roof faces a lot. Snow, heavy rain, summer sun, and big temperature swings all work together to wear it down over time. So how do you know when it's time for a full roof replacement instead of another quick repair? Start with a simple age check. If your asphalt shingle roof is 20 years old or more, it's smart to plan ahead before leaks and damage catch you by surprise. Next, look at the shingles themselves. Are they curling, cracked, or missing a lot of granules? Do you see bare spots or patches where the roof looks uneven from the street? Inside, watch for brown ceiling stains, peeling paint near the tops of walls, or musty smells in rooms right under the roof. In the attic, damp insulation and dark streaks on the wood are early signs of water getting in. When you see several of these issues together, your roof is probably nearing the end of its lifespan. At Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling Company, our trained crews look at your entire roofing system, not just the surface. We can tell you honestly if a repair is still safe or if a complete asphalt or metal roof replacement will protect your home better in the long run. If you're ready to find out where your roof really stands, reach out to Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling Company. With us, you'll get a friendly, no-pressure consultation and a clear plan for what comes next with your roof replacement in Westmoreland County, Pennsylvania.